Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to add a bank card on Alipay. This is really simple to do. The first step we need to do is open our Alipay app, and right here once we open this app, you're going to see all these options right here. You need to do is click this option called account right here, or as well you can click this button right here called add now uh, if you want. No? But I think the best option is clicking this button right here. Once we click this option, we're going to find this option called bank cards. We're going to click right here, and then we're gonna click this on this button that says all card. We're going to click, and right here we're gonna add our bank information in this level, in this area right here, or you can scan your card clicking this button right here, and then we're gonna add. Okay, there you go. This is really easy, and I hope this video was very helpful. Please comment and subscribe.